This soup is guaranteed to warm you from the inside out. This is my broccoli cheese soup, and that's what's for dinner tonight. Let's get started. To me, there is nothing more comforting than after being outside all day in the freezing cold during the winter than this pot of creamy, delicious broccoli cheese soup. In my pot, I have 1 stick of butter that I'm melting. Once the butter's melted, I'm gonna go in with 1 medium onion that I finely diced and 4 cloves of garlic that I also finely minced. I'm just gonna give that a stir and get that all incorporated into the butter. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and we're just gonna let that cook until the onions soften, about 2 to 3 minutes. Now that our onions have softened, I'm gonna go in with 2 cups of carrots that I grated. Now we're just gonna stir this around, get it all incorporated with the butter and the onions and garlic. A little bit of black pepper and a little bit of salt. Give that a stir. Now we're just gonna cook those carrots again for another 2 or 3 minutes just until they start to soften. Okay, now that our carrots have softened nicely, I'm gonna go in with a 1/2 cup of flour, stir that around, and I'm gonna let that flour flavor cook off for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, now that we cooked our flour off, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add in 8 cups of chicken stock in batches. We're trying to avoid getting any lumps. 2 cups of milk and 1 cup of heavy cream. This again with a little bit of black pepper, some salt, dash of nutmeg. I'm gonna bring this to a boil and then we'll move on to our last step. And I have 4 cups of fresh broccoli that I just cut up into florets. Give that a stir, turn the heat down to a simmer, pop a lid on it, and we're gonna let it simmer away for 35 to 45 minutes, and I'll show you the finished product when we're done. Our broccoli cheese soup is done. I am super duper excited, but we have to do the last step first. I like to go in with a potato masher and just slightly break up any larger florets that are in the pot, still keeping the integrity of the broccoli. 8 ounces each of sharp provolone, Gouda, and Munster cheeses. Leave it alone for a minute or 2. Let the melting process start. Let's plate her up. Just gonna sprinkle on fresh parsley. Let's give it a taste. This is gonna be a problem sitting on my stove in front of me all day. Fantastic. Hearty and substantial without being heavy. You can serve this with some garlic croutons sprinkled on top or some garlic bread. It's perfect. If you want the recipe to my broccoli cheese soup, just comment the word recipe in the comment box below and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today.